Good evening. We have made our hrms system. So basically, this is the sign up page, and which is defined that we have to make the sign up page which only admin or HR can make the employees the sign up page. So my first employee is, last name is, email I will enter is Mehul Shah @example.com. I will enter the year of joining. So basically, it will automatically generate the login ID entries, based on the previous entries as mentioned in the documentation, and it will also generate the auto generated password. I will copy this password. This will create an employee account. Now I will enter the email ID of Mehul Shah. I pasted the password and I signed in. So basically, we will jump directly to the employees page. We have considered or created the employees page like we will have the employees registered by the admin. We will have the status dot. For example, if the employee is active, it will have the green dot, and if the employee is not active or offline, it will have red dot, or if employee is on the leave, we will have the flight status on. If I check in, if I check out, the status dot turns to red, and if I check in, it will show at what time I checked it. We also have a feature where we can add the employee. We can also search the employees by the name. Next, we have the attendance page. We have created the attendance log based on the check-in and check-out. It will provide the functions of check-in and check-out. You can also see the status like if the employee is present, absent, or if it is or if the employee is on the leave. You can also search the employee by the date or name of the employee. Next comes the time of page, which is similar, which generates the time of request, whether if the user has a pending time of request or it is approved or it is rejected. It is similar to the attendance log. You can also search request by the end or start date of the employee or the leave type, whatever the employee is wishing to ask for the time of request. For example, if I create the new request, if I take the personal leave, my employee is the adapted dinosaur. If I want to take the leave from 3, that is today, I want to take it for the 3 days, so that is 4, 5 and 6. I will enter the reason. And I will submit the request. It will show that the adept dinosaur, that is the employee, has approved for get approves for the leave. Next comes the profile. We have created a very simple profile. You can edit the profile or save the changes. Here comes the personal, the second section has some personal information, and on the second half of the second section we have the states of the employee. For example, when the employee joined, what is the ID of the employee, or if the employee is regularly active, we can take the quick actions like change password. We can download the profile, and we also have the notification settings if employee wishes to turn off. We have certain work information like in which department is employee working, which position it has in, who is the manager of the employee, and at what location. Okay, yes, this is the so We also have one feature, we can also log out. Okay, so this is all for the website we created about the HRMS.